Your vehicle is equipped with a vehicle information system that monitors a host of vehicle functions. The vehicle information display is located here in the instrument panel. The vehicle information display can be changed using the left-right arrows, the up-down arrows, and the Enter button located on the steering wheel. Push this switch up or down to navigate through items. Press the Enter button to change or select an item. Some menus may vary based on the equipment installed on your vehicle. To customize the main menu, use the right or left arrow button until the Settings menu is displayed. Press the up or down button to select Meter Settings. Then press the Enter button. Select Main Menu Selection and press the Enter button. Choose which items you want displayed on the main menu by using the up or down arrow buttons to select an item and press the Enter button. You can reset the fuel economy by selecting the fuel economy and then pushing the Enter button for longer than 1 second. You will find this feature in the vehicle information display. It records the total distance the vehicle has been driven, as well as the distance of 2 individual trips. You'll see the Trip Reset switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Push it to change the display from odometer to Trip A to Trip B and back again. Push and hold the button for more than 1 second to reset the selected odometer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.